Adding a speed ramp to some of your fast-paced videos can add style and professionalism to your videos as a content creator. And this is how you can create a smooth speed ramp in Adobe After Effects and Premiere Pro. Now, let's start with Premiere Pro. Create a sequence and drag your footage into the sequence. Then click here, go to time remapping and select speed. Control-click to create your first point, then scrub through your video to find the next point. Then Control-click to create the second point. Here, from here to this point, I want to speed this up, so I'm going to pull this line right here up to shrink to increase the speed. After remapping where you want the speed to ramp up, then move your time indicator to where you want the speed to start slowing down. Add another point by control clicking, then go out to indicate where you want it to step out. Control click to add another point, then hold this line right here and drag it down. You can increase it and adjust it to whatever you like. To make things play smoothly in Adobe Premiere Pro, right click on your clip, go to speed and duration. On the time interpolation, change this to optic flow, then hit OK. This must slow things a bit down according to your PC power. So if you preview this, you can see that things are playing smoothly. So in summary, to speed things up between 2 points, you drag this white line up, it speeds things up, and if you want to slow things down, then you drag this line down. In Adobe After Effects, things are a little bit different and easier. Drag your clip into your composition, then right click on your footage, go to time and select time remapping. This is gonna add a keyframe to the beginning of your layer and to the end of your footage. So if you click this close up, things will speed up. And if you drag this keyframe further away, things will slow down. To make your speed remapping look like it is done by a pro, then move your time indicator to where you want things to start slowing down and then add a keyframe. And move your time indicator to where you want things to start speeding up again and add another keyframe. Now open up the center keyframes to finish the speed remapping. If you play this back right now, this is what you have, a professional looking speed ramp. You can smoothen things up by selecting all the keyframe, hit F9 on your keyboard, or right click on your keyframe, go to Keyframe Assistant, then select Easy Ease. And this is how you can create a smooth speed ramp in Adobe After Effects and Premiere Pro. Do you think it is easier to do the speed ramp in Adobe After Effects, or you will prefer using Premiere Pro instead to create your speed ramp? Let's continue the discussion in the comment below. If you have any question, leave your comment and I'll answer you as quick as I can. Thank you for watching this video. Until I see you again in the next one, my name is SSB Otaru for Motion Digit Studios.